Once upon a time, in the heart of ancient Sumer, a high priestess named Enheduanna gazed up at the stars. As she watched them twinkle in the vast expanse of the night sky, she began to hear a music, a melody of the universe. She believed these celestial harmonies, these frequencies, held the power to influence the human body and mind. This understanding of the potent interplay between frequencies and human well-being laid the foundation for what would become a great journey of discovery. Fast forward a few centuries to ancient Egypt. Here, priests and priestesses, much like Enheduanna, wielded the power of sound in their healing rituals. They understood the body as a system of energy vibrating at different frequencies. They believed that diseases were merely a manifestation of these frequencies falling out of sync. To restore harmony, they used chants and hymns, effectively making them the first to use sound therapy. The Greeks, too, had their own understanding of frequencies. Pythagoras, the philosopher and mathematician, discovered the harmonic relationship between different musical notes. He believed in the concept of musica universalis, or music of the spheres, an ancient philosophical concept that sees the movements of celestial bodies as a form of music. This music, though not literally audible, could be understood through mathematics and frequencies. Moving forward to the East, ancient Indian metaphysical traditions also recognized the power of frequencies. The concept of chakras, or energy centers within the human body, is a prime example. Each chakra is associated with a specific frequency, and imbalance in these frequencies is believed to lead to physical and emotional ailments. Fast forwarding to the modern era, we find a resurgence of these concepts in the form of New Age healing practices. Sound baths, biofield tuning, Reiki, and various other forms of energy healing have gained popularity. These practices, though often met with skepticism, continue to provide solace and healing to many, indicating that there might be more to frequencies than meets the eye. In conclusion, the journey of understanding frequencies and their influence on the human body is a fascinating one. It began with the ancient civilizations who first recognized the music of the universe. It traveled through Egypt, where sound became a tool for healing. It passed through Greece, where Pythagoras discovered the harmony in music. It moved to the East, where the concept of chakras tied frequencies to our well-being. And finally, it has arrived in our time, where alternative healing practices continue to explore and utilize the power of frequencies. This journey is far from over. As we continue to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, who knows what new melodies we might hear, what new harmonies we might discover. This harmonic journey, like the frequencies it explores, continues to vibrate, to resonate, and to heal.